Vacuum hose goes in there on the side of the Hegner. That's the view for the magnifying glass. So there it is. I'll get the tape off and we'll be back. Cheers. That's the top part of the clock. Another nice little pattern to cut. Takes quite a time to cut around this bit, but yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's going to look nice. This. Okay, I'll be back later. Okay, so that's that bit out. This was just a really quick dry fit. I just couldn't wait to get that together. Anyway, it's coming along nicely. Just needs good sanding. Yeah, a little bit of working on it, and it should look okay. Okay, thanks a lot.